Hey guys, today this is a secret box and I think it's for me, so I'm gonna open it up.
Hey guys, it's his birthday!
What? No way! No way! Oh my god! Well, we get a hammer shot here. Oh my god!
First
Five
gift.
round.
Yeah.
So this is a 5-round
Show it.
gun, and this is all of it. I'm just gonna get the screws.
Hey, no.
So guys, I'm gonna unbox this already. Yeah, I need to check. So this is gonna get unboxed. I have another one of these, but I don't have it anymore because I don't know where it is. I think I left it at my friend's house. But
You had another one of these, Josh?
yeah, I don't know where it is. But
Really?
yeah, actually it's in Evan's house and we live in people. So this is the actual blaster. And it has a trigger in there. And the darts. 5. It's 5 darts.
This is the bad boy. The stick will be like this. That's the bad boy.
And
This is the back.
these are the darts. And let's do a shooting test on it. It's not semi-auto.
And it doesn't have batteries. You can just pull it
That's
up.
what semi-auto means. So, there's a trigger here. And then you shoot like this.
No, shoot the box.
Like that.
The box in front of you. Try to. Oh, it falls down. You did that. Ooh.
And that's how it works. And that's how it works. And it's very hard when you shoot someone. They don't cry. I hope you enjoy. I'm Joshua. Bye.